Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can flip an image on Canva. Keep watching the video till the end. To flip an image on Canva, firstly go ahead and launch open your Canva application. The home page of Canva application will appear on the screen. Choose any document or else you can also create a blank document as well. All you need to do is add an image to your document, so go ahead and tap on Elements option at the bottom left corner of the page. On the search box, search for any pic. Here I'm gonna go with laptop. Now if you want to flip this image from the given option at the bottom of the page, click on Flip option. You can either flip the picture horizontally or vertically as well. If you want to flip the image horizontally, tap on Flip horizontal. Or else, if you want to flip the picture vertically, tap on Flip Vertical option. This is how you can flip an image on Canva quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.